my name is Tim. I am a teacher with Fast Track Training, and today I'm going to talk about how to pass the Wolverhampton Knowledge Taxi Test in 2020. It's an article all about becoming a Wolverhampton taxi driver. We'll cover how to pass the knowledge test and what type of questions come up in the mock theory test. The first question is, what is the Wolverhampton Knowledge Test? It's a series of questions and answers. You have to answer 28 questions and you have to get 21 of these correct to pass the exam, and you'll need to write your answers on the question paper. But before the test starts, you will get the following: instructions on how the test works, the chance to do some practice questions. That's always very important, because then you'll get a feel for the questions and it will relax you in the exam, and also a training lecture with the teacher before the exam. So that's what you get. How the theory test works. As I said, there are 28 questions and you have to pass 21 of them. The ones that you have to pass are the safeguarding questions, which are in black and bold print. You have to get those right, because if you get any wrong, you fail the exam. When the question is presented, you have to write the correct answer. The questions are taken from the following subjects: safeguarding children and vulnerable and conditions of driving a taxi, licensing, vehicle, conditions, the standard of the vehicle, the licensing process, enforcement and compliance, those are the sort of the rules governing it, applying for hire, and various acts which I don't really need to go into now, which you need to comply with them. But what is important is customer safety and customer care and awareness of any disability that the customers may have. Also, of course, safety for the passengers and the road safety, personal safety, and also you need verbal and written English language skills. You can register to become a Wolverhampton taxi driver online. How much does a test cost? This is another interesting one. The cost of the exam and the application. The knowledge test costs £40. That's for the first and the third attempt. If you do have to take a resit, and you probably won't, and we hope you won't, we hope you pass first time, it's a £15 fee. The criminal records check costs about £79. An occupational medical exam, which you get from your doctor, can cost anywhere between £60 and £100, depending on the doctors and what they charge, what the scale of charges. And for a 1-year application with Wolverhampton Council for the taxi licence, it costs £47. If you want a full breakdown of the prices and support, please get in touch with us, because prices do vary. They're not fixed all the time. Where, when and how can I book an exam? Well, there are 3 places where you can book an exam, or where you can sit it. One is Wolverhampton Active Bilston, Burt Williams, WV14 OEF, and the second place is Wolverhampton Active Aldersley, WV6 9NW, and the third place is Wolverhampton Science Park on Coxwell Avenue, WV10 9RU. Exam bookings are usually available within a month, and you can go online onto the website to find the latest dates and times. Next question is, what documents will I need to book the exam? You'll only need 2 things. One is the driving licence, and 2 is either an email address. You also need, by the way, your national insurance number, and of course a credit or debit card to cover the cost of the exam. Book the exam and start the application process. You can register to become a Wolverhampton taxi driver online. How much time should I spend revising? Well, this is always a strange question, and all teachers get asked this question. How long should I spend revising? How long you should spend revising is up to you, really, but what we recommend is that you spend 9 hours revising all the mock exams, and each exam is 28 questions, and 1 hour on safeguarding children and adults. You can visit our free questions section on that. How can a teacher help you, the student, pass quicker? Well, we've been passing students since 2013, and we're always happy to help students. And there are 3 ways that we can help them. And you can choose any one or more of those 3 ways. You can first of all practice free questions and answers to help you pass quickly. Secondly, you could try a free 30-minute demonstration with a teacher on WhatsApp or Skype, which you can also book. You can also book a free consultation here. Thirdly, you can try our training classes, which help students pass their exams for the first time with free retraining. If you do not or would like to speak to us personally, visit us on our contact page and we will be happy to help. Finally, have a great day, trackers, and always be the best. And remember, when you've passed your exam, to help others pass their exam.